All relations go through hell. Real relations get through it. Hello once again. Maintaining healthy relations in today's world has become tough. Due to professional life, household chores, studies, trying to make money, people seem to have forgotten about their relationships. Children have forgotten about their parents. People have distanced from their friends. Partners have lost their love. But since we are humans, we are social beings. So here are some tips to maintain healthy relationships. The base of any relation is respect. Respect in relationship builds feelings of trust, safety, and well-being. Never lose the element of respect in loving someone. Another way to show your love and care is to appreciate the other person. Give small compliments. It is the key to any relationship. When you appreciate someone, it makes them feel good, and this makes a big difference in your relationship. Spending quality time rather than useless quantity time together plays a vital role in sustaining relationship. Take out time to relax and enjoy together, which will help developing closeness for each other. Without any reason, we should often show our love to near ones. This will help the relationship go smoothly and will make it long lasting. Love has no expectations. When you love someone, try to give more without expecting from other person. When two of them give their best, then only a relation will come at 100%. Plan out mutual activities like playing together, exercising together, eating together, or even cooking together. This way you share your time with each other, which otherwise seems impossible in today's busy life. Active listening is also important. You should listen without any distractions, as it lessens up misunderstanding and gives importance to the person. To show the love and concern, you must hug the other person. Hugging is beneficial from the point of view of mental, physical, as well as emotional health. Happiness brings satisfaction. One should always think about other person's happiness to make relationship successful. An essence of surprise always keep relationship fresh. You can also add sweetness by adding humor. Laughing together, enjoying, and having fun should be on the top of your priority list. To keep your relationship alive, remember, no one is perfect. Mistakes happen by mistake only. Never ever leave a person if something goes wrong. Always understand and give your support to bring back the confidence in relations. One more thing, never stop communication. Whatever happens, you have to talk. Share your views and should not put ego in between. One must apologize when mistaken, and other one should let it go to save the partner from embarrassment. Last but not the least, say I love you to your loved ones every now and feel it from the bottom of your heart. These three words work like a magic. At the end, I would like to add that don't delay in expressing your love to your parents, children, friends, soulmate, and life partner. Don't wait. Call them, go and hug them, and show that they are important for you. I hope these tips helped you in maintaining your relations. Keep watching, like, subscribe, share. Bye for now.